What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the crypto babe. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you had an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. If you haven't checked out my crypto projects, go check them out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. Oh, I think my system glitched. Go check my crypto projects out at www.coffeeandcoins.info to check out this specific project program that I want to talk to you about. Go check it out at www.besteasyworkincome.com. All right, I want to show you this program, guys. You know, I came from and I still am a digital marketer, affiliate marketer before I came over into the DeFi space, and I always will believe that the digital programs, the digital information products are evergreen. They never go out of style. Okay, people always will pay for information and training to help them excel to the next level. So this has been and will always be in my arsenal. Okay, digital products. I love the direct sales member to member sector. Okay, where we're able to earn instant commissions anywhere we want, paid directly from the person that signs up from our link. Okay, so I want you to check this one out. This program, you're able to earn $247 commissions instantly over and over and over and over. Okay, there's no cap, unlimited. Okay, you got to do a little bit of work and be consistent, and this will work. All right, so check out this. Let's look at this real quick here. Hang on a second. Check this out.
All right, hey, it's Frank, and this is your map bonus page. So let me break it down for you quickly. First, you're going to be pocketing $247 payments all day, even while you sleep. It's nice to wake up to multiple payments. I like eating cash for breakfast. It keeps me going all day. You should try our map breakfast. It's delicious. Next is your first built-in bonus. You're getting a completely done-for-you sales funnel. It includes capture pages, sales pages, and built-in follow-up. It's truly an auto-recruiting system that does all the heavy lifting for you. Our members love the simplicity of this MAP bonus program. Now, built-in bonus number 2 is the full autoresponder included in your members area. This software helps you stay on top of your contacts, and they do want to hear from you. The more they hear from you, the more money you will make. In fact, we share our insider secrets with you on how to build your list and how to communicate with them via email. Once you have a list, you have a ready-made sales target, and you can get them to do anything you want. Bonus number 3 is something you rarely see in the home business space. It's the one we had the most difficult time setting up, but we were able to get that done. It's a dream to find this type of bonus in a system that can pay you over and over again. We have taken away the monthly charges for this MAP program. That's right. You join for a one-time payment and you have no monthly charges for MAP. That's your full-blown members area we call the tracking interface, because you can keep tabs on everything happening in your business. You'll know what every prospect is doing and what every member is doing. You have the marketing portal with ready-made promotional tools. Everything from postcards to sales letters to email marketing to solo ads to social media and a lot more. It's a one-stop shop for all your marketing needs, and you get it for free. No monthly charges. I have one more huge bonus for you that will help you start making money immediately. Okay, here's the huge bonus you've been waiting for. If you join today, we are also going to add your link to our ongoing magazine rotator. Where are the very best candidates for your business, you might ask? Well, let me ask you, what type of person is thumbing through a home business magazine? That's right. We like the path of least resistance. People you find in a home business magazine don't have to be sold. And more importantly, they are already motivated to build a business with MAP once they see what we have for them. So we're letting out the big dogs. A complete sales funnel with convincing capture pages and sales pages. A built-in autoresponder to stay on top of your contacts every single day. A system that has no monthly charges, so you can use that money to promote your business. And if you act right now, we're going to include your link in our ongoing magazine advertising. Capture all the bonuses you discovered today. This is Frank, here with my wife Laura, and we want to thank you for listening, and we can't wait to work with you.
Awesome. All right. And actually, I've been an affiliate for this program. Coming up in January, it will be 2 years, guys. Okay. These type of programs are typically the no rug pull programs, okay, because they're affiliate marketing. You're not earning passively because you have to do a little work by promoting it, but we show you how to do that. You have a back office with all the training, all the tools you will need. For me, I love simplicity. I love to purchase traffic, which is paid advertising, and social media, okay? But we show you how to do it. But in other words, these type of programs last. You don't have to worry about the typical rug pull situations. And I know folks have reached out to me about alternative ways to earn online. And this is one of the programs, like I said, I've been promoting for 2 years. So let me just show you proof payment. Okay, and I'm going to cover up this person's information for privacy protection. But these programs work, guys, if you just follow the system. Okay, I'm covering up this person's information for privacy. This is a Cash App payment, $247 instantly sent to me. Okay, guys, so you can do this as well if you can follow some simple instructions. All right, so once you get started, you're going to go to www.besteasyworkincome.com. You're going to log in here. See right here, it says, here's 4 videos, 4 steps. Get activated, set up your payment options. You decide how you want to get paid. There's different payment options. You can get paid. Let me see, they've made some updates, so let me just make sure I'm giving them to you right. We've got PayPal, they accept Cash App, Venmo, of course, cash. You can tell a person where to send cash, Walmart to Walmart. You can accept debit cards, guys. You can accept credit cards or debit cards. All right. So anyway you decide, you set that up. That's what this number 2 is for. Payment setup. Right here, we give you the traffic sources where you can go and you can get buyers, people that are interested in making money online. Okay, where these companies, these solo vendors, will send visitors to your page, such as this. Here's one of the pages that I'm using right here. They enter their information. They get a video like this that explains everything. They get this page, this website. As you can see, they read over, they see testimonials. I'm on this page as well. All right, a lot of testimonials, explains, well, what am I getting? People are getting paid, and it tells you all the information. All right, right here on the page. So folks look at this. They like what they see, or they may have a question or two they may ask you. Okay, then some people just sign up, believe it or not. Okay, they've seen enough. They go here, they click this button. They're going to pay the company $50 admin fee, and then they're going to pay you $247, the enroller. Okay, it's a 1-page closer. And then in here, you would have specified how you want to get paid. And they have the options. They make their selection, and boom, payment comes directly to you instantly. Okay, so this is how this works. Like they said here, this is not a get-rich-quick program. We believe in hard work, integrity, and developing your skills. If you want to earn more, as stipulated, you will have to do some work. This is not passive. You don't go to bed and wake up unless you've done the work. Now, I've put systems in place. Systems work. People fail. Okay, because systems is going to do the same thing it's going to be automated over and over and over and over and over. So that's why these systems are in place, such as a page like this. You send traffic here. Let the system do the selling and telling. They come here, they see a page like this, boom. It does the selling and telling for you. Okay? That's how this works. All right, guys. So awesome system. Like I said, I've been promoting it for 2 years. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, you're tired of the rug pulls, look at affiliate marketing, member to member. Been doing these type of programs since 2012-ish. All right. So I know this space. All right. So definitely go check it out. Folks have reached out to me. I've spoken to them about this. Is just one of the affiliate programs. If you want to look at all the other different affiliate programs that I have, go to www.getpaidfromhome.info. All right, and you'll see several of them that I've been promoting for years, and they work. All right, and let me show you a place where you can get traffic, where you don't have to bug friends and family. You don't have to do all these crazy messaging that people do, spamming people in their inboxes and all that stuff. Get some paid traffic. Get people that's interested in what you're offering. That's how that works. They've already asked for information. Show me something. They've said, hey, show me a way that I can earn online. Let me decide. Show me what you got. Okay? So let me show you one of the resources. Check this out. Go right here. Choose your package. Select a package. Okay? Here is the lowest package that they have right here. All right, select, click here. All right, and you fill out your information. You use your debit card or credit card. Right, come right here. If you want them to send 100 visitors to your page, it's gonna be $60. If you want them to send 200 visitors to your page, it's gonna be $120, and so forth all the way down. But remember, you're gonna earn $247 for everybody that signs up. So is it worth it for you to spend 60, 120, 180, 240, etc.? I mean, you set your budget, and this is what you do over and over and over. You're going to be building your list of buyers. The email follow-up series is going to follow up on your behalf to these people to remind them about the opportunity. Keep sending them emails for over a period of time, and you continue to buy your advertising. All right? And this is how you work the system. Smarter, not harder. Not chasing people around online. Okay, guys? All right, so if you're interested in earning these $247 commissions instantly over and over and over, there's no cap, because you will be doing some work. Okay? Go check this thing out. www.besteasyworkincome.com. Check it out. Shout out to the person that's gotten started earning these $247 commissions. Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.